Many organizations struggle to attract, retain, and promote women. In fact, when you look at most organizations, you'll find that they're very gender unbalanced, particularly when it comes to top levels. We all know the benefits of gender balance: improved performance, improved financial performance, better risk profile, better decisions. So why are so many organizations still struggling? And more importantly, what can organizations do to become more gender balanced at all levels? Hi, I'm Rina Goldenberg Lynch, and I'm the founder of Big Fish D&I Academy. For the past 6 years, I've also been running my own diversity and inclusion consultancy. And before then, I worked as a lawyer for 20 years. All this to say that I know what it feels like to be a professional woman in a number of different organizations. And I know what it takes to make us feel welcome. I'm really pleased to participate in the Global Diversity and Inclusion online forum, as I'm passionate about gender diversity and I'm more passionate about gender balance. I'm eager to share with you what it takes to form the kind of culture that appreciates women's authentic contribution. At the Global Inclusion Forum, I'll be running a workshop on how to create working environments that are gender balanced. I hope you join me. I would love to show you and help your organization start your journey towards a more meaningful inclusion. I hope to see you there.